Newfield offers a variety of home styles, so whether you're looking for a townhouse, a single-family home, or a condo, there's something here for everybody. Today we're taking a look at the model homes and giving you a first look at what makes Newfield so special. The Marguerite model is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage with 2,245 square feet. The Shasta model offers 4 beds, 3 baths, 2-car garage with 2,438 square feet. The Montauk is the largest of the floor plans with 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage spanning 3,640 square feet. The Seaside model is 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 2-car garage, spanning 3,657 square feet. The Gerbera model is 4 beds, 3.5 baths, with a 2-car garage, spanning 3,053 square feet. The Livingston model is 3 beds, 2.5 baths, with a 2-car garage spanning 2,377 square feet. The Crown model is 2 beds, 2.5 baths, with a 2-car garage spanning 1,973 square feet. Newfield is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. With its focus on connection, sustainability, and walkability, this community is redefining modern living in Martin County. If Newfield sounds like the perfect place for you, let's set up a tour. Give me a call or drop a comment below. I'd love to show you around.